Today we are going to draw a pink teddy. To draw this, at first we need to make a circle, then two half circles, then some curved lines. Need to repeat it 4 times. In this way. Oh, I need to establish it. Yes. Next, to establish its face, we need to use some dots and lines. Yes. But first, we'll apply a light pink on its face. And this area also. Next, we'll use sky blue in its body. I should be very careful to keep it in this border. It's time to apply violet in its ears and pink. Now we'll take one shade deep pinks and apply it in its face to get light and shape. In this way. Next, we'll apply violet in its body to get the textures. We must color its mouth. Yes. It's done.